Today we're going to be making 3 anti-inflammatory juices to combat that inflammation that we have inside our body through diet. Inflammation is our body's natural response to injury or infection. It's the way that it combats what's going on inside your body. Now, we're not going to get into today why we have inflammation, because there are so many different reasons, so many different illnesses that can cause that, injuries that can cause that. But today we're going to make juices that can combat that and help us through our diet to get our inflammation load down. Now, how can juices help inflammation go down inside our body? Well, we are making them with fruits and vegetables like berries, turmeric, ginger, greens, citrus fruits, and all of these are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce inflammation inside the body. They have vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids. It has so many great things inside these juices, and they can suppress inflammatory markers and support overall immune function. So that is our goal today. We are going to be making 3 juices that can help that inflammation go down and help our bodies thrive and feel good. So let's get to it. I'm Victoria with Less Toxic Living, and here I share all the things I know about health, wellness, less toxic living, and all the things to keep our toxic bucket low. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on that alert button, because I have so many amazing videos coming for you. Now let's start making juices. Okay, and before we start juicing, my juicer broke, so I will be opening my new juicer with you today, and this is not sponsored. I don't know how well it works, so you're gonna do it with me. So the great thing about juicing is you don't even need to use a juicer. You can actually use a blender, and then you can just strain it and drink it that way, or you can make a smoothie. Either way, but today we are putting together this Joyco juicer. I will link it below, and I don't know how it works. We'll see, because this is not the one I had before. Okay. We got all the pieces out, but now we got to wash it because it's new. Okay, that actually was pretty easy to put together. I did not bore you with the washing. I think that part you can do yourselves. And now we just have to plug it in. Now, our first juice is a pineapple green apple cooler. So we're gonna have 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 fresh organic cucumber, a handful of spinach, about 4 mint leaves, 1 lime, 1 green apple. And this is optional, but it has a lot of great anti-inflammatory benefits. So we're gonna add some coconut water at the end. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties, and this can reduce a lot of swelling and pain. It's good for your digestive health because it breaks down proteins. Green apples are rich in quercetin, which has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects. It helps alleviate symptoms of allergies, respiratory conditions. Cucumbers are great for hydrations and also have so many anti-inflammatory compounds. And spinach is high in vitamins and minerals. So all of these things are going to be so great for this juice. And as I said, this is completely optional, but I do love to add some coconut in there, some coconut water in there, because it has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties too, and it's going to taste really good. We're going to mix that up. Look at that. It tastes amazing. Has a bit of a citrus flavor, but it also has that lime. Really tastes good, super easy to make, and this is great for inflammation in your body. Now we're going to be making our citrus carrot cooler. So you're going to need 2 oranges, 2 carrots, a large piece of ginger, and some fresh basil. It smells so good. And I'm also going to add a cup of coconut water to this also, again, because this has great anti-inflammatory properties. And just a tip, there are so many health benefits in the carrot peel, so do not peel it off. Just wash it really well with some baking soda and it's good to go. As I mentioned before, ginger has so many antioxidant properties, so this is going to be great to reduce inflammation in the body. Oranges and lemon have so much vitamin C, and they have strong antioxidant properties, so they can reduce that oxidative stress we have going on in the body. And green apples contain quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory effects. And blueberries, like you probably know, are packed with antioxidants, So they have a really potent anti-inflammatory effect for your body. I love it. Blueberries are one of my go-tos for anti-inflammatory diets. And there we have it. Look at that beautiful orange color. I'm gonna add some coconut water. Once again, this is optional, but coconut water also has so many great anti-inflammatory benefits. Try this out. Oh, that is good. So this one is really great if you like sweeter juices. It's more on the sweeter side because of the carrots. Tastes great, so good for you. And last but not least, we have our blueberry lemon mint juice. It is so good. This one is going to be super refreshing. And if you love blueberries, this one's for you. I have a cup of cut up oranges here, some mint. You can also use basil. I'm going to do 1 lemon, so this is going to be super citrusy. I have 1 green apple and a cup of blueberries. Let's get started. And there you have it. That's really good. So if you love blueberries, you definitely got to try this out. And do not throw this stuff away, all of the leftovers. You can freeze this and then add this to your smoothies and it's going to give you so much flavor. Never waste a thing. And remember, this is not medical advice. This is for educational purposes only. So if you have any kind of medical condition, always speak to a practitioner. Thank you guys for following along. I hope you loved this video and I hope you guys love these 3 juices. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of juices you guys like.